This is the highlight of my day. When we got our new machines, I thought it was amazing. I get to learn a new skill, learn something new about automotives. I'd say it makes a big difference. Learning how to do your own tires and learning how to balance a tire. That can pretty much get you a job guaranteed almost anywhere.
Yvonne Moyes, our CTA president, she approached me with it and said, hey, we have a grant program that might be able to help your auto shop. Once she notified me, we jumped on it.
Seeing it come to fruition and being here with the superintendent, Mr. Alvarado, Dr. Hawk, and the kids, it was amazing. It was overwhelming, honestly.
We got the motor oil.
It speaks to what we want for CTE and the collaboration with academics, so they can go get a job tomorrow and start putting these skills to practical use immediately. And that's what transforming lives is all about.
Crazy. When I found out the price of it, it was just like, it's a great experience. I love the machines, they're fun, and it just gives a boost of confidence. This is my first time ever getting hands deep into vehicles.
Such a blessing, not every school has these type of tools that you can do things like that regular mechanic shops have. So it's something new to me, something that I've learned. Coming into this, I didn't expect to ever know how to do something like that.
The light goes off and it's just amazing to see because they know they just completed the job 100%.
I'll be the first in my family to work in an auto body shop or an automotive shop. Doing that makes me feel like my family be really proud of me.